Today I would like to present about mindfulness. The first of all, I would like to give the definition what is mindfulness. Mindfulness is the way or strategy that people can apply in order to observe our body and our mind, to be awareness, to be fully attention, and also to open and to be alert. This is the best way that we will know ourselves better, and we will know how to communicate with other people better, not judging, not criticizing, just realizing the truth and realizing what really is and who they really are. You know, mindfulness, there are two ways of mindfulness. First is sitting meditation. Sitting meditation is the good way that we can relax our body, our mind, and we also follow our feeling, don't block, don't follow it, but we just try to observe our feeling, name it to tame it. Also, the second is the practice moment to moment. Practice moment to moment is the best way also to know what we are going to do and what we are doing now, not interrupted by other actions. For example, if you're driving car or you're driving motorbike, it's very necessary that we practice moment to moment, that we know what we are going to do and what we are doing now. So this is the best way that we can practice every day in our lives. Since I practice mindfulness and self-regulation, I gain so many good things more, especially practice the self-talk, the positive self-talk. I can respect myself better and respect other people better. I understand what I really need to apply with others. I gain more calmness and be more aware what we are going to do. So this is the best way that I'm so thankful for the mindfulness and self-regulation.